Frugal friends. Hello there, welcome or welcome back. My name is Julie, also known here on YouTube as the Frugal Mama, and I am out here. It's midwinter here in Utah, and with that comes all kinds of fun weather. I am at some point eventually going to get a garage, or at the very least a carport built here, you know, for my car. So that we are not having to deal with the ice and the snow, all of that, especially the ice in the mornings, cold winter mornings. But until then, hopefully next year, we will get a carport. Until then, though, I was like, I've got to find something, do something to make our mornings a little easier. And I found just the thing. This windshield cover is available on Amazon, and I will leave a link for it in the video description. Not only was it really easy to unwrap and to get put on the car with help from my kids, but I've done it since all by myself. The quality of the materials I found to be exceptional, especially for the price.
What do you mean I attached it to this?
Oh, Reagan, why are you just having it hanging in there?
Can we get this side a little lower? And then, like, what is does the top attach to anything?
I don't think so.
This part here?
On both sides.
Okay. Thank you, babies. It was incredibly handy waking up to a snowy morning, being able to go and just pull the cover off of my car and all the snow with it. I found it easy to do, even with my arthritis and not being tall and any of those things. It came right off, but I did find later that there were better ways to secure it. I'll show you that in a minute. But just look at how awesome this is, how convenient, how easy, and until I have another way to cover my car, this is going to be very handy. I enjoyed my drive with a nice clean windshield, not having to warm it up or de-ice it. The next day, I did find another way to secure the top strap. It fits perfectly around the headrest, and I think that's actually how you're meant to secure it, and it is how I will be doing it from now on. This is not sponsored. I bought it myself, and I love it. And because I love it so much, I did leave an Amazon affiliate link for it in the video description.